हेलो स्टूडेंट। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम फ्रॉम क्लास 11th। व्हाट इज एटम? एटम इज अ ग्रीक वर्ड एंड इट्स मीनिंग इज इंडिविजुअल और अनकटेबल। इंडिविजुअल और अनकटेबल। हाउ कैन वी डिफाइन एटम? स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल of an element which cannot be further subdivided. Is called as a atom. Which is the smallest atom? सबसे छोटा एटम कौन सा है? Smallest atom is hydrogen. Hydrogen is the smallest atom and its diameter is around diameter of hydrogen is 0.000000005 centimeter. The atoms are generally expressed the size of atom expressed in angstrom. And 1 angstrom unit is equal to 0.000000001 centimeter. अगर हम हाइड्रोजन की बात करते हैं तो एंगस्ट्रॉम में अगर इसका हम डायमीटर देखते हैं हाइड्रोजन डायमीटर in angstrom is equal to 0.5 angstrom. ओके, ये बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन हमने एटम के बारे में देखी। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल्स ऑफ एटम। वी नो दैट एटम इज इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल एंड इट हैज टू पार्ट्स। फर्स्ट इज अ central part and second is extranuclear part. Central part and extranuclear part. The central part is positively charged and it is called as nucleus. The nucleus consists of two types of fundamental particles, that is protons and neutrons. Protons are positively charged particles and neutrons are neutral, or we can say chargeless or zero charge. Okay, now these positively charged protons is denoted by P and the neutrons are denoted by N. The protons and neutrons collectively called as nucleons. They are called as nucleons. And the sum of protons plus neutrons is the mass number of that atom. Okay, the extranuclear part consists of planetary electron. Why they are called as a planetary? Because they revolve around the nucleus same as that of the planets revolve around the sun in a solar system. So they revolve around nucleus, they are negatively charged and they are represented as E. So these are the basic fundamental particles of atom, that is proton, neutrons and electrons. Now atom is electrically neutral. So why an atom is electrically neutral? Because the number of protons, that is positively charged, present inside the nucleus is exactly balanced by the electrons revolve around the nucleus. So positive and negative, so it gets balanced. So that's why an atom is electrically neutral, because the positively charged protons present inside the nucleus is exactly balanced by the electrons revolve around the nucleus. तो अभी हम फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल्स के बारे में थोड़ा सा डिटेल्स में स्टडी करेंगे. तो सबसे पहले आता है इलेक्ट्रॉन. So electrons are discovered by J.J. Thomson. In the year 1897. So initially J.J. Thomson put a model which is called as a palm pudding model. Palm pudding model. And according to this, if we cut a watermelon, अगर हम watermelon को cut करते हैं, the red part is a dense, positively charged, and the electrons, that means the seed of the watermelons, are electrons which are embedded in it. That's why this model is called as a palm pudding. That means a cake having a dry fruits or nuts look like a palm pudding model. So he named the model as a palm pudding model. Later on he carried out the cathode ray experiment. And he found that a stream of negatively charged particles, and he named it as electron. So electrons, mass of electron is very negligible, and it is about 0.000555 atomic mass unit. So the electrons are present in every atom, and its mass is 1/1850 of mass of hydrogen. That means its mass is too small than the hydrogen, but they are present in every atom, and it is denoted by E. So this is about electron. Now second one is proton. Protons are positively charged particles. They are discovered by Ernest Rutherford in the year 1911. So Rutherford carried out one scattering experiment. So he bombarded the alpha particle from the source on a gold foil. So surround this gold foil, he placed a scattering plate, and he found that some of the alpha particle go straight. That means there is something hollow space present inside the nucleus. Some alpha particle deflect from their path. That means something positively charged present in a nucleus, because the alpha particles are positively charged. Okay, and some alpha particle reverse back. From that he concluded that the dense positively charged present inside a nucleus is called as a proton. So he named that particle as a proton. So the mass of proton is equal to the mass of hydrogen. Mass of proton equal to hydrogen. For practical purpose, its mass is considered as 1 atomic mass unit, but its actual mass is 1.007825 atomic mass units. So this is the actual mass of protons, and the protons are denoted by P or 1H1. So this is about proton. Now next fundamental particle is neutron. So the neutrons are neutral or chargeless. Neutrons are discovered by James Chadwick. So he also carried out one scattering experiment. He bombarded the alpha particles from the source on a beryllium foil. So the beryllium foil releases a neutral particle. Now this neutral particle again bombard on paraffin wax. These are bombard on paraffin wax, which emit the charged particles. Now he measured the velocity of these charged particles, and these charged particles are proton. And he compared the mass of these protons and these neutral particles, and he named these neutral particles as a neutron. Okay, so neutrons are neutral or chargeless, and हम इसके मास के बारे में अगर बात करते हैं, मास ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन is nearly equal to mass of hydrogen, but its actual mass is 1.008665 atomic mass unit. Okay, and neutrons are represented by N. So this is all about fundamental particles of atom, that is proton, neutrons and electrons. I hope आपको समझ में आया होगा. If you have any difficulty, so you can comment me in comment box. So thank you.